May leak ba? May leak ba? Leak test. Parang wala naman. So it's been a while since I've used Lolo Dink because nung dumating si Noah na lang lagi yung ginamit ko. And for this video, we're gonna give Lolo Dink some tender loving care. And we're gonna change his oil. So, I recently learned the tip na if you're gonna be changing the oil of your bike, dapat naka-warm up siya and pa-cool downin mo ng sandali. In that way, nakaikot na yung oil sa engine and at the same time, mas mabilis siya mag-flow when you're gonna drain it. So, tara, let's change Lolo Dink's oil! And the oil that we're going to use is the Platinum 4T Blast. It's a semi-synthetic engine oil. And then, meron tayong Gear M+. Ito yung gear oil na gagamitin natin for Lolo Dink. First, we need to locate the drain plug, and with the Kymco Dick 150LX, it's right here. So, nakita nyo na prepare ko na rin yung sasalinan ng oil. And next, kailangan natin tanggalin yung peeler cup kasi dito natin nalagay yung oil, and at the same time, habang dinidrain natin, mas lalong lalabas yung lumang oil. And another tip that I've learned is pag nag-change kayo ng oil, yung lumabas na oil, isukatin nyo ulit. And for example, this bike needs 900 ml. So pag ang lumabas na oil is 900 ml pa rin, ibig sabihin, the engine is running properly. Pero if, nyari, nabawasan, ibig sabihin there's something that you need to check. And next, susukatin na natin kasi kailangan lang natin ay 900 ml and this entire bottle has 1 liter. Tanggalin natin to. Pupunasan rin natin to after. The 900 ml goes in. So, this is the dipstick. Dapat pagka tapos mo magpalit ng oil, susukatin mo siya and dapat yung oil aabot hanggang dito. Nandun yung oil, kita nyo. So now, i-check na natin kung nagbawas ba ng oil si Lolo Dink or hindi. Lalagay natin yung used oil and i-measure din natin. Uy, nagbawas ng bongga. Almost 150 ml lang nabawas kasi this oil is just at 700 ml. And the next time na I'll be changing the oil of Lolo Dink, we'll also be checking if nabawasan ba or mas maganda ba yung naging flow ng oil sa loob ng engine. Next, we're gonna be changing the gear oil. So apparently, nakalagay pala sa gilid nito na yung mga kailangan nilang oil. Like for example, ito, naka-embed pa nga eh. Yung gear oil niya, 0.18 liters, 180 ml. The Gear M Plus by Platinum, 120 ml yung isa. So, gagamit tayo ng dalawa. Isang buo and then kalahati. Ayan, tatatsahin na natin yung 60. And the last step is, syempre, papawarm up mo na yung engine and i-check mo kung meron ba nagla-leak. If wala, it means you did a good job. May leak ba? May leak ba? Leak test. Parang wala naman. Kung nakaramdam na siya ng TLC, guys. O, ayaw niya nang umangat.